Hi everybody, welcome back. In the last section or last video, we have discussed about the linear search. One of the operations searching in that linear search method we have discussed. But in this video, we are going to discuss another method of searching, that is a binary search. First of all, before going to the algorithm of a binary search, just we will have a small description or a information about a binary search. Binary search is just a method. Binary search is just a method from which we are going to search the location of an element in a given array. Sir, as you told, linear search is also one of the searching method where we are going to search a location of an element in a given array, and binary search, for binary search also you are saying the same. Anybody getting this question in the sense? I will tell you the solution for this one. How that linear search and binary search is different in the sense. How the binary search and linear search is different in the sense. In a linear search, we don't need a sorted array, because all the possible element comparison will be done there. The comparison of a given element or a searching element will be compared with all the possible elements of an array, and there is no need of a sorted array. Sorted elements, no need of a sorted array in a linear search. But in a binary search, it is the method which will works on a sorted array. Sorted array that may be of ascending order or descending order. In case of integer values, in case of character values, we should be need a sorted array. That should be in a either ascending order or else a descending order. Like ascending order in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, and descending order in the sense 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. Understood? Then binary search works on a main concept of a middle. It works on a main concept of a middle. For example, if we have an sorted array, like just an example I am taking here, just take one array B containing 4 elements or 5 elements, 6, 8, 11, 13 and 15. This is a given B array is in a sorted array. Then we can apply the linear search as well as a binary search. As we know, binary search in the sense we have to visit each node, each element in an array, and if the searching element is at the last position, it will take a time. Don't think for 5 elements it may take a milliseconds. But if we have thousands of elements in an array, linear search method take a maximum time to search if the element is the last one. So to avoid a time complexity, we have developed one more searching method, that is a binary searching method. Binary searching method will be works on a middle. What is middle in the sense? For this binary search, the method will consider the beginning as a B and ending as a E. Beginning and ending, and this using this beginning and ending, it will use to calculate a middle as a m is equal to beginning plus ending divided by 2. It will use to just calculate the beginning plus ending divided by 2 as a middle. Then here beginning is a 0 and ending is a 4. Beginning plus ending gives you a 4 and divided by 2, it will give you a 2. That is 1, 2, 3. It will show you the middle element like this, m as a middle. And it will compare the searching element with the middle element. Compares the searching element with the middle element. If that middle element is as equal to that searching element in the sense it will provide the location. It will provide the location of the middle element. Otherwise, it is not true. If the searching element and the middle element is not equal in the sense, it will goes to comparing whether element given searching element is less than middle element. Then absolutely it is in ascending order. We have the middle element, and if the searching element is less than middle element, it will resides, the searching elements may resides this side of an array. Otherwise, if it is not a less than middle element, if it is greater than middle element in the sense, it will resides right side of the array. It is in the case of ascending order array. Okay na? This algorithm designed only for ascending order array, and you have to, after this explanation of this algorithm, you have to change the code for descending order array. Understood? Clearly, just listen properly. Once again I will tell you. First thing, in a binary search method, the algorithm will consider the beginning and end of the array. That is indexes. Beginning is 0 in a given array. Beginning is 0 and the ending is a 4. And it will calculate the middle of an beginning plus ending divided by 2. It will give you a middle. Here 0 plus 4 divided by 2 gives you a 2, which is a middle element. And middle element is compared with the searching element, whether the middle element is equal to the searching element or not. Like this, this is just makes this like this. Element is equal to the A of m. A of m is nothing but a middle element. If it is true, it will give you a location as a m. Searching elements location as a m. Otherwise, if it is not equal, it will move to the second step. What it will does in the sense, it will check whether the middle element is a less than searching element is a less than middle element or greater than middle element. As we know, this is a ascending order. If we need a lesser valued elements compared to the middle elements in the sense, we have to come this side or else the left side of the array. If we need a more valued elements than the middle element in the sense, we have to move forward, that's in a right direction. Depending upon these conditions, this binary search will be works. These two conditions are very important. If you understand these two conditions, then it will be easy to understand this binary search. Understood? After comparing the middle element with the searching element, program will look whether the searching element is equal to the middle or not. If it is equal to the middle, then the location will be middle. Middle is the location for the searching element. If it is not, that means middle element is not equal to the searching element in the sense, it will check whether that searching element is less than middle. If it is less than middle in the sense, it will have to go this side, and there is no requirement of searching these two elements. Right? If the searching element is less than the middle element, there is no need to check these elements, no need to compare with these elements. At the time, this end will be moved to this one, move to this pointer. This is the beginning, and this end point will be moved to this pointer, this element, because there is no need to compare these elements, because the element, searching element is less than middle element. That's why there is no need to search these elements. For that reason, we will do n is equal to m minus 1. N is equal to m minus 1. This is a m minus 1 gives you this one. Otherwise, middle searching element is greater than middle in the sense there is no need to compare these elements. Lesser elements, there is no need to compare these elements. Yes, at this time we have to move the beginning from here to here and ending will be fixed one. In the first case, ending has moved and beginning is fixed one. How to move the beginning in the sense middle plus 1. Middle plus 1 will give you a what? Beginning here, and upon these conditions we have to continue same procedure. Why? Beginning is lesser than or equal to end. Yes, beginning is lesser than or equal to end. Again find the middle. At this case you may get this as a middle, also this as a middle, and compare the element with the middle element. Whether you got a equal that the middle element is equal to the element in the sense location will be prints, otherwise unsuccessful. That is, there is no searching element will exist in a given array. This is about a binary search. Let us discuss with that algorithm. First thing, algorithm need a sorted array, and this algorithm specifically about a ascending order sorted array. You have to write a algorithm for descending array. For descending array, you have to write the algorithm and send me to the WhatsApp. It need a is a sorted array, LB and UB is a lower bound and upper bound, or else a beginning and ending. B, E, M, we are used the B, E and M, where B refers to a beginning location, M refers to a middle location, and E refers to a end location of an array element. Then step 1, set B is equal to 0. Beginning always in an array, beginning will be the 0 index, and set B is equal to 0, end is equal to n minus 1, and location is a minus 1. Why the location is minus 1? The reason you know, in the last linear searching I have explained this one. To justify printing the location that and unsuccessful message, we need this one. To justify that one, we need this one. And while loop we have used, if up to where beginning is less than end, always beginning will be less than end normally, but we used to move the beginning and ending here and there. For that reason they are asking up to when beginning is less than beginning is resides less than that E, this will be runs. What it is in the sense, middle is equal to integer of beginning plus ending divided by 2. We have used the integer because some cases if this has a 5 elements, if it is having the 6 elements, for example 17, this will be 5, and 0 plus 5 divided by 2 gives you a fractions values. For middle locations I have said that indexes should be in integers, positive integers, right? Then so for that reason int will be added here. It will give you a 2.5 and taken into the account as a 2. Understood? Then if element is equal to a of m, a of middle, if it is true, then the algorithm ends here. If it is not true, location is a m. Otherwise, else, if it is true, location is a m and go to 4, that is a exit. Else in the case, you have to check whether the element is less than middle or else greater than middle. If it is a less than middle, you have to move the end of an array towards the m minus 1. If it is not, that is, if it is greater than middle element, move the beginning to the m plus 1. That is end of a while. And again, after this one, this while loop will be again runs. Okay na? End of a while. And step 3 is if location, if you got the location as a greater than -1 or a greater than 0, location will be prints. If the element is not exist in the given array, in the sense unsuccessful message will be prompted there. That after that, exit of a algorithm. This is an algorithm for a binary search, and an example for this one I will explain it. Right? Have you understood this one? I hope all of you understood. And write. Don't forget to write a algorithm for the which one? Descending order array. Right?